What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be covering Arya, the Traders League, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. So let's get to the juicy bits of the Traders League. It's one of my favourite sections that I've seen in the dashboard of the Arya. Now I haven't taken part in the competition because I think they only do Forex trading, and as you guys know I don't trade Forex. Doesn't mean I can't review it for you guys that you might be interested in taking part in the Traders League. So Arya is basically part of Green Bull Group, and they invest $1 million of their own equity into the Traders League. So basically what happens is there is a kind of a group of online traders obviously enter this league, and the first say 5 people to win the Traders League will be given a fully loaded account with real investment that you trade on a live basis, that you split the profits with Arya and Green Bull. Now there is other people that I've seen do this, but I think the layout and the excitement behind it is the way Arya done it, which I'm super impressed by. So how you start up, it's quite simple. You choose one of Arya's brokers, okay? The Arya actually recommend brokers to use for the Traders League. Now, don't get mixed up. When you're using the Arya software, you can use your own broker, but when it comes to the Traders League, you have to use the recommended brokers they give you. There is a minimum deposit in the Traders League of $1,000, and you have to show 3 to 6 months consecutive gains on a real live account. It cannot be a demoed account. And then it's quite simple. If you win, or you're in the first, say, selected 5, then you win a live account, which the numbers are not disclosed yet on how much each account is given, but if they're given $1 million to, say, the first 5 people, you can imagine the accounts are quite high. Then you're just one short bit away to go trade a huge live account with Arya. What I do want to confirm is, let me know if you guys know this. I don't know if it's just Forex or is it stocks. Leave a comment down below and let me know as well. If it is stocks, I'll definitely be sure to take a part. If it's Forex, I don't trade Forex, so I won't be joining, but I would be eager to see your guys' feedback on it. And maybe if you are in the Traders League, let me know how you're getting on, where you're ranking, and maybe if I can give you some sneaky tips that might help you along. Guys, if you are interested in taking the Arya program, there is a link in the description below, and it is a huge discount I have on offer. Go check it out for further information. Guys, once again, I want to thank you so much for your support. Please hit like and subscribe. Good night, and God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.